The Northwest Mounted Police were the police and patrols who controlled disputes and riots in the region. By the time the railroad was finished in 1881, rebellions like the Northwest Rebellion began not too long after. The railroad allowed for easy transportation of the police, as they no longer had to travel through the USA on steamboat, railway, ship, and even on foot. Now, NWMP members could use the railway for quick and easy transportation to different regions. The railway also allowed the NWMP to distribute new recruits through the regions with more ease. The NWMP were also regular monitors of the railway, and they kept watch on what came in and out of their regions.
Created using Powtoon.